Hello everyone, welcome to Rhythm of Flavors. Today we will make a healthier yet tasty form of khichdi from broken wheat or daliya. You can also view the list of ingredients in the description box below. In a pan, take half cup of moong dal. Dry roast until aromatic or until we see a brownish tinge on the dal. Once roasted, wash the dal and pressure cook until boiled well. Now in a pan, take about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Take about a tablespoon of jeera, 1 bay leaf, break 1 to 2 green chilies, and about 1 inch ginger grated. Stir fry all the ingredients. To this add quarter cup of chopped carrot, quarter cup of chopped green beans, some small cut cauliflower florets. These are my choice of veggies for one pot meal. You can innovate as per your preference. Stir fry the vegetables. Then cover and cook until they are soft. Make sure to add a little water if they look too dry to avoid burning. My vegetables are soft enough for the next step. Add quarter cup of green peas. Add finely chopped small tomato. Salt to taste. Now stir until the raw smell of the tomatoes disappear. At this point you can add hing or Asafoetida if you like the flavor. Now time to add broken wheat or daliya. I have taken half to 1 cup of fine daliya. One quick stir. To this add our already boiled dal, quarter teaspoon turmeric, and give a good mix. Now add 1 to 1.5 cup of water to start with. Cover and cook until the broken wheat or the daliya is soft. If you feel your daliya is dry, you can add more water. Serve this healthy one-pot meal with a teaspoon of ghee on top and roasted papad as an accompaniment if you like. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you like this recipe. Leave your comments in the section below. Spread the word among your friends and subscribe for more recipes.